I'm going to show you how to set up a blog feed on the homepage of your website. But first, what I want you to do is go ahead and slap a like on this video, hit subscribe, and also, if you'd be so kind, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. So when I do post new videos, you'll be the first to know. So other than that, let's just go ahead and get into it. Here I have my client's website, and this was built in Avada, and it's a straight custom theme. So I'm going to show you what I did and then how to maintain it. Let's get into it here. So let's first log in. Okay. Now let's go back here. We'll refresh. Okay, now I can go ahead and edit this page. So this is the row that we're going to be editing. And what I did was I just used one column row, and I chose the blog feature. So I went down into elements here. I chose blog. I insert the blog, and what that's going to do is it's going to pull in all of your posts. So all I did, because I'm going to use just two columns, because we only have a couple posts right now. I pull in two columns, and I chose grid, the blog layout. So there's a bunch of different layouts that you can use, but I chose the grid. The column spacing, this determines space in between the columns. That's just at 40. And then the posts. So I just want two posts. That's it. And then for heavy copy posts, that include a lot of copywriting, I just set the excerpt length to about 90. I might even back that out to 80. Let's do that right now. So I'll update that. So this is it. Super easy. And then I have my title up here. This is an H1. I set this title to, in design, you can go up here. You can set the HTML heading size to H1. I centered it. And that looks good. So we're going to save that. And then what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and update that. So let's take a look. Right now, this is the 90 character count that I used. So what I'm going to do is refresh it, see what it looks like. Yeah, it's better. Look at that. It's more even. So what I will do next is show you where all this pulls from. It just pulls from your posts. So if you go to all posts, you can easily you can just create a new post here. In this instance, what I did was, let's just take a look first. So this is the text one, and it's going to be pulled in based off of the date of publication. So this is literally an article pasted from the Orange County Register. All I did was copy it, and then I linked back. Always source your source wherever you got it from. So if you're copying and pasting it from another news magazine or a blog, always set up sources, because the backlinking is actually good for search engine optimization. And if I were to write my own original post, I would create backlinks for a lot of this stuff. So even in COVID or the 2012 Olympics, I would link back to that somehow, or link back to, the speaker, Jessica. Let's see, what else would I do? I would probably even link out to Mindy. It's good. It's good. It shows goodwill, and then it also it's Google likes that stuff, loves that stuff for SEO. So let's see what's next. So what I'll do is I'll just jump on over to the next one. And this is just a straight video. So what you can do, what's really cool about this is when you add media, let's say that you just want a video post. You can just go in here and say, hey, I want to insert this from a YouTube video. You just click that, insert your YouTube link, and then boom, it creates a preview, and then you set a title to it, and then you publish it to your homepage. And that's exactly what I did here. And that's how you get this. So it's really, really easy to do videos. I know that Brian's going to be posting a lot of his most current videos on here. So it's just an easy way of making sure that your newest content is seen. And if you really wanted to bump up the SEO a little bit, I would even come in here and write a 500 word blurb on the event or what took place, or just a little overview, and then try to create some backlinks if possible. Again, that goes really well with your SEO. Google loves that. Fortunately, Brian already has a very high domain ranking because he's a public figure. So um, he's already got a lot of link juice coming to his website anyways. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're just going to bounce out of here. And that's about it. Really simple to get a new blog feed set up in your site. I mean, you could even have 4 of these. You could set 4 columns, 3 columns, however many you want in here. Or if you just wanted extra rows, you could set that up too. If you have any questions, you can message me on my channel or go to oc3group.com. I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Remember, go ahead and leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.